Hello, I am a virtual assistant for Hudson Telecommunications. How may I assist you today?
Hey, I have a billing question.
Sure, I'd be happy to help with your billing question. Are you inquiring about your mobile bill or your cable bill, which includes internet, TV, and home phone services?
It's about my mobile phone.
I understand. You have a question about your mobile phone bill. Can you please provide more details about your concern or the specific information you're looking for?
Yeah, I just received an email with my statement and I feel like it increased all of a sudden. I want to understand why.
Please wait a moment while I verify your identity. I see that your current statement has a total of $161.21, while your previous statement had a total of $121.21. The main difference between the two statements is the absence of a $20 discount on each line in the current statement. This could be the reason for the sudden increase in your bill.
Well, why is the discount no longer applied on my account?
The reason the discount is no longer applied to your account is that it was a special discount for the initial year of service. From the second year onwards, regular pricing resumes, and the discount is no longer applicable.
Ah, I see. Okay. When do I have to pay this bill by?
The due date for your current bill is on March 30th, 2024.
Okay. What happens if I do not pay on time?
If you do not pay your bill on time, you may face late fees, service disruptions, or even account termination. It's important to make timely payments to avoid these consequences.
Okay, sure. I'll pay the bill on time. That's all I had. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day.